you know, Vic?
Hey,
I just have to get footage.
this Wade.
You gotta have it.
This Wade.
D-I-S-S-U-A-D-E?
Yeah. Persuade not to do something. So I want to dissuade you from using that camera.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought the dissuade was like when you were referring to like the jacket that you were wearing that was
Dissuade.
Dissuade. Dissuade.
That was so sick that you just said that.
Dissuade is.
But it was very bet-like.
Oh man, was it ever? Very bet-like. Very bet-like.
Hey, did you watch that footage that we had that day? You ready? We'll take your lens off. Come back.
The lens cap will help you.
Thanks, baby. Thanks, babe. Thanks, babe. Appreciate that. You gotta love it.
Watching me, watching you.
Okay, we go.
Here we go. It's a face-off.
Okay.
You working?
I'm working. I'm working. Working this mess.
Hey.
You shouldn't have to focus manually, do you?
No.
What's up, Michael?
My name is Michael Houston, and I am here for Jacob Associates.
Oh, yeah, she's still eating.
Oh.
I don't want y'all on my camera. I don't want y'all on my camera.
Man, you know just what to do.
Hey, Rob.
I gotta get that over there, Robbie. Hi, Robbie.
This hand,
Hi, what's the name?
You forgot? You don't know who I am?
Lynn. Lynn. Hi, Lynn.
Oh, you talking to Lynn.
Hi, what's your son's name?
Courtney.
Hi, Courtney.
So you can call him Wayne. I'm named after his father in the middle.
Courtney Wayne.
That's him.
Here, Rick.
You get me, baby?
Red button, right?
It's going.
Oh, okay.
Island.
Wait.
How's it going? Island. Island. Hey, Robbie, down here. Hey, Lynn, what's happening? How's it going? We're all taking care of Wayne out here. He's a little nutty and he's got a butt with a mind of its own, but we're taking care of it.
That's me.
Okay? All right. He's getting double salary on this gig now because he gets paid as a keyboard player and his butt.
Get the gambling trio back. Yeah. Wayne, get the gambling trio back there. You know who that is. Get the trio back there.
I didn't win. No, you didn't. I just said it was the same thing. Me too. You had a couple of sleeves. Have you had long sleeves?
Go, here we go. Hey.
Winner right there. Come on.
Hey, man.
You dog. Oh, shit. Dog.
You don't let him get the slobber and I'll do that. Hey, man, that is the slow motion, dude.
Slow motion. Swing on in.
Full of brush.
Right?
Hey, 24. Ready for me to slam it on your chin? Don't play with me, play with mine. Come on.
Man, why didn't you give me that?
Bring it home. You rods are rabbit head shape. Give it here. 19. Give it here. That was good.
Come on. Come on, man. Somewhere else. We're eating. I'm a kill me.
Can I just get my money together?
Yeah, you can.
The last time I was there. Oh, give it up.
Give it up.
Come on, that way.
I haven't met you yet, son, but I feel like I already know you.
Yeah.
I know your daddy pretty well. But anything like him,
Yes, sir.
Do
Yes, sir.
We like it, mama.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you, Santa.
Yeah, for that 2 ACs at the bottom.
Thank you, Santa.
Number years.
Number yen.
Number year?
I hope y'all
know when you're gonna pay
Whitney,
incidentals for.
why do you all play before you go on stage?
Well,
We're going to take everybody used to do them.
Watching it all down.
where's
Norman got 3 bags.